Quick Creators, welcome to another episode of Quick Creations, and in today's video we are going to show you how you can make the easiest chocolate pancakes stacked with chocolate sauce and topped with some fresh fruit. It's going to make your Sunday breakfast perfect.
So guys, it's a super indulgent recipe and let me tell you, it's not the healthiest thing on the planet, but it's something that you'd really look forward to in your entire week, and it's something that will keep you coming for more.
As always, we're going to put down all the ingredients that we have used in the description box below, along with the products that we have used in this video. So go check them out.
And without further ado, let's get quick creating.
To make our choco chip pancakes, we're gonna start off by taking a big mixing bowl to which we're gonna add our dry ingredients, starting off with some maida or some flour, some powdered sugar, some cocoa powder, baking powder, and then some baking soda. Now using a whisk, we're just gonna mix all these dry ingredients together until they're well combined. Once that's done, it's time for our wet ingredients. We're gonna start off by adding some melted butter, some buttermilk. You can also use lemon juice instead of buttermilk. Basically, we need an acidic agent which will activate the baking soda. Then we're going to add our milk. We're going to add 1 cup of milk in batches. Right now it looks a little too lumpy, and there goes our second batch of milk. Using a whisk, we're just going to mix our batter together like so. Right now our pancake batter looks a little lumpy and a little cakey, so there goes our third batch of milk. Using a whisk, we're just gonna mix it all together until we get the batter of our desired consistency. Look at it guys, that's exactly how your batter should look like. It has to be very flowy so that you can easily scoop out your pancakes. Once we've achieved the batter of this consistency, we're gonna add a handful of choco chips. Now these choco chips are gonna make these pancakes even more delicious and more indulgent. Using a whisk, we're just gonna mix it all together so that each of the pancake has a generous amount of choco chips in it. Once the batter is ready, it's time to make our pancakes. In a frying pan, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can also use some butter. Basically, we are greasing the pan so that the pancakes do not stick to the pan or they do not get burnt. Now it's time to add our pancakes scoop by scoop. We're just gonna take 1 generous scoop and pour it into the center of our pan and wait until the bubbles are formed. Once we see the air bubbles being formed, it's time to flip our pancakes. We're just gonna flip the pancake and press it like so and let it cook for about a minute, and then we're gonna transfer it on to our stacking plate. To take this Sunday indulgent breakfast to another level, we're just gonna pipe some chocolate spread and we're gonna spread it along the edges and the center so that the pancake has a very chocolatey filling. Once that's done, it's time to make the rest of our pancakes. We're gonna pour the batter in the center of the pan, and don't worry guys, it will automatically take that cute little pancake shape. You do not have to spread it around. We're gonna let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, and we know that it's time to flip our pancakes when we see some bubbles on the top of the pancake and the edges become a little dark brown. Once we flip the pancake, if a little batter oozes out, don't worry guys, using a spatula, just put the batter in place and you'll be good to go. After cooking it for about 1 minute, we're gonna transfer it onto our stacking plate like so. We're gonna press it down so that it stacks perfectly. And now it's time to add our chocolate spread. You can also use some Nutella or any other favorite spread that you like. But to make it even more chocolatey and indulgent, we have used the chocolate spread. Now we're just gonna repeat the process of pouring, flipping and stacking the pancakes until we reach all the way to the top. This pancake batter makes about 10 to 12 very delicious pancakes, so it's a very indulgent breakfast for 4 to 5 people. That's it guys, we've reached all the way to the top, and we're just gonna press down on our pancake mountain so that it stays perfectly in place. We're gonna top it off with some fresh fruit. We've used some chopped bananas. You can also add some strawberries or any fresh fruit that you like. We've drizzled some cocoa powder on top of it to make it an Insta-worthy Sunday breakfast. Just look at it guys, it looks so delicious and so indulgent. We're going to upload a lot of pictures of this beautiful dessert on our Instagram page, so do check it out. Now it's time to cut into these deliciously stacked choco chip pancakes. Just look at the texture of these pancakes, guys. It's absolutely soft and very delicious. The chocolate spread in between each of these pancake layers makes it an even more sumptuous dessert.
Thank you guys for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed this chocolatey pancake recipe. Do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment sections how do you like it.
If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any other video suggestion. Subscribe to our channel and tap that bell icon if you haven't already to get notified whenever we come up with a new quick creation.
Also guys, you can check out our more dessert recipes by clicking the link right here. If you want to check out more spicy recipes, then click the link right here. And that's it for today guys. We'll see you next time. Bye!